jurors in the murder trial of the man accused of killing 2 police officers, Quentin Smith, heard testimony today from the defendant's wife.
Candace Smith described the domestic violence that brought Westerville police officers to her apartment and the exchange of gunfire that left 2 of those police officers dead.
NBC4's Ted Hart has been following this case. He's joining us live now from the courthouse. She was on the stand, Ted, but you could not record it?
That's right. The judge agreed with her not to allow the media to record her image or her voice. She was the key witness, though, today. Testimony wrapped up just a short while ago. No more witnesses are scheduled to testify for either the prosecution or the defense at this point. But again, the defendant's wife was today's key witness.
First call had a female crying, and then they disconnected.
Candace Smith testified she made that 911 hang-up call after being punched and choked by her husband, Quentin Smith, to the point of losing consciousness. She said, "I remember waking up to him slapping the side of my face and saying my name." When Westerville officers Anthony Morelli and Eric Joring arrived at their front door, she says she told them, "He just got done beating me up and he has a gun." She says, "I stepped out of the doorway and I thought they were going to arrest him." Instead, she says, Quentin Smith reached for a handgun he had hidden in the cushion of the sofa and gunfire erupted. She called back to 911.
911, what's your emergency?
Please help, please help, please help.
What's wrong? Tell me what's going on.
He shot the police officers.
In afternoon testimony, Jail Deputy William Carmen described an incident when Quentin Smith bragged to another inmate about his skills with handguns.
Inmate Hill then said back to him, "You don't know anything about firearms." As at that time, the defendant said, "You better check my case, I'm surgical with them."
And defense attorneys dismissed the jailhouse comment as simply Smith taking a line from the movie Training Day. The judge did tell jurors within the last hour that they could expect to hear closing arguments tomorrow afternoon and would likely begin jury deliberations Friday morning. Local for you and live at the courthouse, Ted Hart, NBC4.